What is the name of this Ekadasi? Anybody remember? I forgot.
Povitra Pana
Pavitra Ropini Ekadasi, I think.
Pavitra Pana.
Pavitra Pana? So
that is what is written in the that Vaishnav calendar app.
Pavitra Pana. So that means this Ekadasi is very, very purifying as much as possible. So our loving relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So when we chant nicely, so by the effect of chanting and hearing, the remembrance comes. Shravan Dasha and then Smaran Dasha. If Shravan is performed very nicely, so that will bring us in Smaran Dasha, when you will be remembering Krishna more and more. So at the time of death, you might not able to chant also. But if you have practiced Krishna consciousness nicely throughout your life, then you will be able to remember Krishna. Or the difficulties during death will inspire you to take more shelter of Krishna, and you will be able to remember Krishna more and more. So we were hearing the pastime of Bhishma Pitamaha, how he was remembering Krishna at the time of his death. So he was lying on the bed of arrows, but he could remember each and every interaction which he had with Krishna, which Krishna had with his devotee like Arjuna, like the gopis, and the devotees of Vrindavan, with Kunti Maharani, with him. It was such a inspiring to see Bhishma Pitamaha's loving remembrance for Krishna. So you have to advance in Krishna consciousness. So as more the day are passing, we have to understand that we are eternal servant of Krishna. Our original home is in the spiritual world, and we are suffering in this temporary material world from one species to another species. So we are in temporary life, and therefore we are always fearful of death, fearful about future, because we are still in this temporary identification. But more you practice Krishna consciousness, more you chant, more you hear, more you practice, your original identification, Jibero Sarupa Hoy Krishna Nitya Das, that will manifest. So you'll realize that I am not this body. I am not my temporary identification, whatever one may have. Indian, American, Hindu, Muslim, black, white, engineer, doctors, brahmachari, grihastha. So these are all temporary identification. But real identification is we are servant of Krishna, or we are servant of Krishna's servant. So that is our position, and our duty is to serve Krishna. And that service platform one get highest pleasure. That in service platform, this service consciousness, when somebody is the attitude of service and is remembering Krishna, Krishna's service, Krishna's devotees, Krishna's quality, Krishna's pastime. So you get unlimited happiness within and without. So thus devotees become very, very happy by practicing Krishna consciousness. And Krishna consciousness is become his lifestyle. Krishna consciousness is not some external activities which you are trying to impose on you by force. Krishna consciousness is already there in our heart because we are part and parcel of Krishna. It's not external imposition on the mind and consciousness. Krishna consciousness is there already in our heart. We can revive our Krishna consciousness. जैसे धूम होता है, धूम के अंदर आग रहता है.
Yes, प्रभु.
अब हवा देंगे तो क्या होगा? आग निकल के आएगा,
आग निकलेगा.
उसी प्रकार कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस हमारे हृदय में है, बट नाउ इट इज लुकिंग लाइक ए स्मोक because of our association with the material nature. But more you chant sincerely, more you fan your fire of Krishna consciousness, and it will come out powerfully. Prabhupada says that Krishna consciousness is there in the heart of everyone. Otherwise, how can these American boys and girls, they are in contact with Krishna consciousness for a few months or few years? How these American boys and girls, they are from different background, different religion, different country, different atmosphere, and they are taking this Krishna consciousness so powerfully. They are chanting and dancing constantly. So Krishna is father and mother of every living entity. Tasam Brahma Mahajoni Aham Bijo Pradopita. Krishna claim in Bhagavad Gita, Aham Bijo Pradopita, I am the seed-giving father of every living entity. Swarva Joni Shukonteo. Krishna says Swarva Joni, not Hindu Joni. Krishna didn't say that I am the father of Hindus. Krishna didn't say that I am the father of Indians. Swarva Joni Shu. Krishna did not say that I am the father of human being. Krishna is the father of every living entity, every soul. Sarva Jonishu Konte Murta Sambhavantija Tasham Brahma Mahajonir Aham Bijo Pradopita. So the seed giving father, when we just take birth, we are on the lap of our mother. We cannot eat anything. And during that particular time, the milk comes on the breast in the mother. And as soon as the child grown up for some month or some years, the milk is not there. Then who is providing the milk? If mother is providing the milk,
God, Prabhu.
if mother can provide the milk, then she can provide the milk at any time.
Yes, Prabhu.
And milk will be there before we take birth and after we grown up. Why that particular time the milk comes? Because Krishna is the father. Krishna knows the child cannot eat anything that time. And therefore, through mother, the biological mother, the original father is providing our necessities. So therefore, we have to remember, we have to understand that how Krishna is our eternal father and mother. And with that intensity, we have to take shelter of Krishna. With that feeling, we have to call Krishna's name. And we have to request Krishna to accept us as his eternal servant again. So Krishna is very loving father. He is providing us everything, but we have forgotten him. So therefore, Sarva Jonishu Konte Murta Sambhavanti Jaha Tasham Brahma Mahajoni Raham Bijo Pradopita. Krishna is father and mother of every living entity. We have eternal relationship with Krishna that can be revived by sincere chanting of the holy name. Last week I have spoke already. If that lecture is there, you can hear it again. So last week lecture was very important. You can hear that how can we improve our chanting. If you chant regular basis in the morning time, you can improve your chanting. If you chant attentively, you can improve your chanting. If you avoid offenses, there is 10 offenses we'll discuss in some of the class in Vaishnava behavior class. So if you avoid offenses, then you can improve. Not only you can improve, you can develop love for Krishna, which is very, very rare, even rare to Brahma. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared to give that love of Godhead. And therefore, before we chant Hare Krishna, we chant Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shivadvaita Gadadhar Sivashadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared to give that love of Godhead. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. He brought this holy name. So by taking shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we can develop love for Krishna. The offenses are eradicated. And by chanting at a stretch, maximum numbers of round or 16 round, you can become more and more absorbed. All the viruses of the mind and consciousness and the heart will be removed, will be destroyed. And your original consciousness, your original relationship will manifest by the course of chanting. But if you chant 2 rounds, 3 rounds and then stop, and then some other time you chant 2 rounds, 3 rounds, 4 rounds, 5 rounds and then stop, then you will not be able to absorb, you will not be able to enter into holy name. Or holy name will not be able to enter into your consciousness. So let allow holy name to enter into our consciousness, enter into our ear hole and go inside our heart. Allow the holy name. Open your heart for Krishna. Offer your heart to Krishna. Krishna, please, I am your servant. Please enter into my heart, enter into my ear, and reside on the altar of my heart. This life and heart for your pleasure. Please engage me in your service. I am your servant. So we have to submit when you are chanting. So here, last week we have discussed one verse of Krishna Namastak. There is another. So today we'll little bit discuss of second verse of Krishna Namastak written by Srila Rupa Goswami. Jai Namadheya Muni Brinda Geya Janaranjanaya Paramakshara Krite Tam Nadaradapi Munigudiritam Nikhila Ugratapam Patalim Bilapshashi. So, Rupa Goswami Pad is very nicely glorifying. Oh holy name, Jai Namadheya. Oh holy name, let you become victorious. Jai Namadheya Muni Vrinda Greya. All the great rishis and munis, they are always glorifying you. Jai Namadheya Muni Vrinda Greya. Why? Because Janaranjanaya Paramakshara Krite. Because you have appeared in the to give pleasure to the ordinary living entity. Jana Ranjanaya. Jan matlab आम आदमी, रंजन मतलब उनको आनंद देने के लिए. So जन रंजनाय, तो साधारण व्यक्तियों के तो जो मतलब क्या बोलते हैं अनलिमिटेड लिविंग एंटिटी, उनको आनंद देने के लिए किस प्रकार प्रकट हुए? परम अक्षराकृते. You have appeared in the form of a supreme words, supreme letter, or your name or your deities. तो जनरंजनाय परम अक्षराकृते. तो साधारण व्यक्तियों को आनंद देने के लिए आप इस परम अक्षर के रूप में प्रकट हुए हैं. जैसे कल हम लोग चर्चा कर रहे थे कि यहाँ के साउंड इज द powerful medium, most powerful medium, and ear is the most powerful senses. So now Krishna's name is the absolute sound vibration. Krishna's name is the topmost sound vibration. परम अक्षराकृते, परम अक्षर के रूप में, सर्वश्रेष्ठ अक्षर के रूप में, शब्द के रूप में भगवान अपने आप को प्रकट किए हैं। और इस प्रकार साधारण व्यक्तियों को आनंद देने के लिए आप प्रकट हुए हैं, और इसलिए मुनि ऋषि लोग हमेशा आपका नाम का कीर्तन करते हैं। और फिर आगे वाले श्लोक में बोलते तम नादरादपि मुनि गुदीरितम निखिल उग्रताप पटलिंग विलप्ससी। और कोई व्यक्ति अगर तमनादरादपि, अगर कोई व्यक्ति अनादर पूर्वक भी, अवहेला पूर्वक भी आपके नाम का उच्चारण कर लेते हैं, तो आप उनके भीषण महा निखिल उग्रतापम, उनके महापाप राशि को ध्वंस करते हैं। हे हरिनाम आपके जय हो। इस प्रकार अजामिल अवहेला पूर्वक बिना कुछ जान के भगवान के नाम का उच्चारण किया था, और क्या फल हुआ था उनको? उनको नरक जाने से उनको उद्धार मिल गया। और अंत में हरि नाम के प्रभाव से अजामिल भगवान के धाम चले गए। तो भगवान के नाम की इतना शक्ति है, कोई अगर अनादर पूर्वक भी कर लेता है, निखिलो उग्रतापम, उनके जितने भी उग्रताप है, उनके जितने भी दुख है, पाप है, सब कुछ नष्ट कर देते हरि नाम। तो इसलिए हमें बहुत श्रद्धा से हरि नाम लेना चाहिए, बहुत आदर से भगवान के नाम लेना चाहिए। अगर अवहेला पूर्वक कोई कर लेता है तो ये फल होता है, तो आदर पूर्वक करेगा तो क्या फल मिलेगा? तो आज एकादशी है, तो हमें बहुत अच्छे से भगवान के नाम का आश्रय लेना चाहिए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा माला जप करना चाहिए। ऐसे नहीं 16 माला हो गया बस पार्किंग में लग दिया, अभी ड्यूटी खत्म। सो इफ यू हैव फ्री टाइम, chant more, chant minimum 16 rounds, and many devotees are going to chant 32 rounds, 25 rounds, some devotees will chant 64 rounds. So it is up to you how much you want to advance. Sky is the limit. So balance your day. You see what your responsibilities are there. So without disturbing your responsibility, try to chant as many rounds as possible. Take shelter of Krishna. This Ekadasi is not different from Krishna himself. And more you chant sincerely, more Krishna will appear to you. Okay? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.